Hello and welcome everybody to the final episode of the Student AI Learning Series. Throughout the course of this entire series, you've been learning all about how you can use AI and Copilot to build your personal brand. And today, we're going to be talking about how you can use AI and Copilot not just from your laptop, but also from other devices.
Yeah. Today, we're talking about the remote control feature.
Yeah, so I'm Grant Harris. I'm a software engineer at Microsoft, and I went to the University of Chicago.
And my name is Caleb Cole. I am also a software engineer here at Microsoft, and I am an alumni of West Virginia University Institute of Technology. And let's just get into the episode. I mean, today we're going to showcase something that allows for you to, start a conversation here with Copilot and the Copilot desktop app, and then transition that conversation to a phone. If you ever want to, go for a walk while you're talking to Copilot, and finish the work while you're, out.
All sorts of reasons.
Yeah, any reason you have.
Maybe you have somewhere to be, or maybe you're, just getting tired of sitting at your computer. It's nice to be able to kind of take a little break and still be able to monitor your session.
Yeah, stretch a little bit.
Absolutely. All right, so let's say here we have this website we've been working on over the course of this whole series. And let's say I want to add a progress bar that monitors where I am on the page as I'm scrolling.
Yep.
So I have this feature that I want to implement here. I have a prompt where I'm going to ask Copilot to go ahead and implement this feature and ask me questions along the way as it works.
Yeah. This will allow a person visiting or on your website to be able, as they're scrolling, they should be able to see like a progress bar of where they're at on the website, the about page, the contact, the projects and whatnot. And so, yeah, if you want to submit the prompt,
let's go ahead.
We're going to showcase that and then tell Copilot, please make sure you ask clarifying questions one at a time to make sure that we have an understanding, any ambiguity. And so you can see that we're getting a response from Copilot, but this session's about remote control. And so I don't know about you, Grant, but it's sunny out here in Redmond, and I'm not trying to talk to Copilot here in the studio.
It's a nice day. The birds are chirping, the sun's shining. We might as well be outside right now.
So you know what we got to do?
Let's take a look. Here, I can go to turn remote control mode on with /remote on, and Copilot will give me a QR code that I can use to scan from my phone with my GitHub app. And I can use this QR code and to manually control this session from my phone.
Yeah. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I have the GitHub app downloaded on my phone, and I'm going to go to my camera. I'm going to scan this QR code. It's going to open up the GitHub app, and here we are. We have the same exact session now here on my phone. And so, Grant, you want to go for a walk, bro? You want to get some drinks?
Let's get some drinks.
Grant, today is a beautiful day. This is an awesome idea to come out here.
There's nowhere else I'd rather be right now, Caleb.
Yeah.
But you know what? We still have that prompt running on our laptop back in the studio.
Yeah.
So let's take a look and see what Copilot's cooked up.
Yeah. Okay. We got it right here. We submitted that prompt about the progress bar, and now Copilot is here asking us our first question. Copilot's asking us on the site, do we want the navigation bar to be always fixed? Or when someone scrolls, does it scroll away?
I think let's keep it fixed.
Yeah, I agree. Let's keep it fixed. Okay, sending that to Copilot. Again, now sending it to the session that was on our laptop, but now we're doing it on our phone. And you can see that Copilot is now working. Next question. Do you want the progress to appear as a thin bar at the very top of the page or built into the navigation itself?
I think let's have it built into the navigation.
I agree, yeah. No need to add additional things on the website. Let's build it within the navigation itself. There was a voice-to-text issue, so let's build it. Okay. Sending that to Copilot again. Waiting for it to respond. And we have our next question. And I think, Grant, I trust Copilot on the rest of this. I kind of want to enjoy the sun and the nature out here, and I think we can have Copilot handle the rest.
I'm with you, man. It looks like Copilot knows what it's doing. Let's just tell it to show us the final result when it's done.
Yeah, I agree. I trust you, Copilot, to finish the rest of this feature. Use your assumptions for the rest of it, and open it in the canvas when you're done, so I can view it on my laptop. Okay, send that. And so awesome.
Sounds great, man. Let's
Yeah.
enjoy this beautiful day.
Yeah.
Cheers.
All right, Grant, we're back. We're back.
We made it.
We were working on this phone, and now we got it right back here on the laptop with the canvas open. What do we got?
Well, let's take a look and see what Copilot cooked up for us. So we can see as I scroll here, it's made this scroll bar and it's implemented the answers to the questions that I gave Copilot just how I wanted it to. And it looks like everything here is good to go.
Nice. Yeah, that's exactly the feature that we wanted. Today, we showcased the remote control feature of the GitHub Copilot desktop app. And we were able to take it, from this laptop to our phone and now back to the laptop to view it here in the canvas feature. And, we were able to go for a walk, get some sun.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, pretty
nice
good day. Pretty good day, I'd say.
All right, thank you for watching. Really appreciate everyone sticking with us throughout all of these sessions. The video description will contain the links to all code and artifacts from this session. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for sticking with us and learning all about how you can use AI to build your personal brand.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, everyone.
Congratulations on completing this series. We're so happy you stuck through, and hopefully you got some good learnings out of it. Again, all of the resources for signups and artifacts and prompts will be in the description of this video. We hope you check them out, and we hope you learned some interesting things from this video. Thank you. Have a great week.